I published this WordPress page last week, but why is this still not on Google yet? Do I need to do more meditation? More prayers? If your main strategy for indexing your pages faster is meditation or praying, better let me show you other methods so that meditation is really your very last resort. The truth is, there is no definite answer to how long does it take for your page to rank in Google. So, if you are looking for a straightforward answer for your site, sorry, there isn't any. It is because indexing and ranking your pages depend on many factors. Competition, posting frequency, the trust factor of your overall site, and several hundreds of other ranking factors come here into play. Some say Google has over 300 factors to evaluate the rank of a website, but primarily the trustworthiness and the posting frequency of your overall site influences the crawl frequency of your site. If your site is not trustworthy, Google and other search engines will crawl less and less of your site. It will take some time for search engines to determine if your brand new site is credible and trustworthy enough to be considered a reliable content partner. Let's talk about the different ways to check if your website has been indexed by Google, and if not, how you get your pages indexed as fast as possible. Before we do anything, we got to know if our page can be found by someone searching in Google. Right. And the fastest way to check if your website is indexed is using the cite command on Google. So let's say I want to check if this page is indexed. I'll copy the URL, go to Google, type in cite : and paste the URL without any spaces. Hit enter. If you get results on the search, this indicates that it has been indexed and is available to be found by everyone who uses the Google search. Let me try it with our own website. Thank God. It seems to be indexed. Now, another important method to have an overview of all indexed and non-indexed pages for your website, the Google Search Console. If you are on the Google Search Console, just visit the Pages tab under Indexing, and you will see all pages that are indexed and not indexed. There are many very good reasons why some do not get indexed, but if you are absolutely sure that a special page should be indexed, and it is not, I will now show you how to request indexing manually. To request indexing a website manually, we first copy the URL of the not indexed website. And then we head over to the URL inspection tool within Google Search Console and paste the URL of the website. You get the info from Google that the website is currently not indexed. We select Request Indexing. And after a moment where Google tries to access the website, we get a confirmation that it will be indexed by Google soon. Soon can here unfortunately mean anything within a couple of minutes of up until several days. If after some days the page still has not been indexed, it is time to check in Google Search Console if any manual actions have been applied by Google. Manual actions lower your page ranking or remove it entirely from search results. The Manual Actions report should provide guidance on how to fix this issue.